The GoPro ecosystem thrives on modularity and accessory ecosystems. An effective bundle can expand mounting versatility, improve audio, and unlock new shooting angles without requiring a new camera. In this review, I test a curated set of 5 accessory kits and official GoPro add-ons across price points and use cases to help consumers choose based on product number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black Accessory Bundle includes the handler. This premium GoPro bundle represents the flagship ecosystem approach, combining the Hero 13 Black with an official expansion kit designed to maximize immediate usability. The bundle includes the handler, 2 Enduro batteries, 2 curved mounts, a 64GB SanDisk micro SD card, and a carrying case, with a stated value of $500 but sold as a $369 package. Notably, the Hero 13 Black supports HB series lenses, ultra-wide, macro, neutral density, and anamorphic that automatically calibrate when attached, enabling cinematic and action-oriented shots without manual menu juggling. The camera itself offers 5.3K video texture, rugged waterproofing to 33 feet or 10 meters. Product number 2, 61-in-1 Action Camera Accessories Kit for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. This Apple Labs 61-in-1 kit is designed to maximize versatility across a broad range of cameras beyond GoPro devices, including action cam models from multiple brands. It emphasizes cross-compatibility and modular mounting options, chest harness, floating grip, selfie stick, car suction, bike handlebar mounts, and a 3-way adjustable arm, allowing diverse POV angles and mounting configurations for water sports, cycling, car shoots, and outdoor adventures. The kit's strong point is breadth. Consumers with multiple action cameras can rely on one kit for many rigs, reducing the need to buy separate mounts for each device. Product number 3, Accessories Kit for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 Black Waterproof Housing, Silicone Case, Glass Screen Protector Bundle for GoPro, GoPro 13, GoPro 12, GoPro 11, GoPro 10, Hero 13, Hero 12, Hero 11, Hero 10 Camera 62E. The Hussey Way Kit targets the essential protection and basic mounting needs for Hero series cameras with waterproof housing, silicone case, glass screen protector, and a high-quality aluminum selfie stick. It positions itself as a robust entry to mid-range bundle intended to shield the camera from water and rough handling while enabling diverse mounting options with included mounts. Performance-wise, the kit's protective components, waterproof housing, silicone case, and glass screen protector are all well rated. Product number 4, GoPro Media Mod, Hero 13 Black, Hero 12 Black, Hero 11 Black, Hero 10 Black, Hero 9 Black. Official GoPro accessory. The Media Mod is GoPro's official audio and interface expansion option designed to enhance professional storytelling. It adds a directional microphone, 3.5mm mic input, 2 cold shoe mounts, HDMI out, and a wraparound shell that improves mounting flexibility while working alongside Light Mod and Display Mod. It is not priced here due to availability, but its feature set makes it a cornerstone for filmmakers seeking improved audio and external monitor accessory integration. Practically, the Media Mod unlocks external mic options and accessories while maintaining GoPro's rugged form factor. Product number 5, LuxBell Accessories Kit for AKASO, EK5000, EK7000, 4K Wi-Fi action camera GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, Session 5, Hero 4, 3 Plus,
3, 2, 1, Max, Fusion, SJ4000, SJ5000, 14-in-1. Luxbell's 14-in-1 kit targets a budget-conscious audience by bundling a diverse array of mounts and accessories designed to work with many action cameras, including AKA-SO and GoPro models. The kit includes chest strap, floating grip, head strap, selfie stick, suction cup, wrist strap, and a flexible tripod, among others, with a noticeable emphasis on portability and price. It's a practical starter kit for casual users who want immediate mount versatility without breaking the bank.